Woodpeckers have a specially adapted skull to absorb the shock of repeated pecking. The skull is thick and spongy, with a cushion of air between the brain and skull to minimize impact. Some woodpecker species can peck up to 20 times per second. This rapid pecking is not just for finding food but also for communication and establishing territory. Woodpeckers have long tongues that can extend far beyond their beaks. The tongue is barbed and sticky, allowing them to extract insects from crevices in the wood. In certain ecosystems, woodpeckers play a role in forest regeneration after wildfires. They create cavities in burned trees, providing nesting sites for other bird species and contributing to post-fire habitat restoration.